Welcome back, viewers. This video is about some 3D printer filament, namely the Sunlu Masterspool filament. Now what makes this different is the reusable spool. Let's take a closer look. For this video I bought the twin pack. The packaging is nice and plain. I guess it helps keep the costs down. You can find the link to this in the video description. Some information on temperature settings on the back. Quite handy. Oh, and this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I purchased it after it caught my attention. Now let's see inside. And here they are. One roll on the spool. Nicely vacuum packed. Some separator card. And the second roll. A thank you card. And a manual. The specifications. And this side shows how the magic happens. Now let's open the fella up. And here is the Masterspool itself. Some markings on remaining filament. And directions for locking and unlocking this spool. Some information tags. The filament itself has Velcro keeping it from unrolling. This also makes the filament easier to store when swapped out. Now let's see how to swap the filament from this spool. Just grab both sides and turn anti-clockwise. Then just pull one half away. Pretty simple. Then the filament is easily removed. As you can see, the Velcro holds the filament together well. Just a closer look at the spool itself. Putting back the filament is just a reverse of before. And to use, just remove the Velcro strips. To swap the filament, just reattach the Velcro and take out the roll. And that's that. I do like the idea of a reusable spool. Filament can take less space in storage. And also reduces waste as the finished spool is normally thrown away. So this product gets a thumbs up from me.